Hey, what up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so we have another unboxing video. Yes, again with the brown sugar box as you saw in the thumbnail. I have been reviewing these boxes for about 1 to 2 years now. I love these boxes. They're very cultured. They're very unique. They cater to everyone, men, women, and children. It's owned by two beautiful women by the name of Izzy and Liv. And I'm just a fan. I am a fan of this subscription box. Now, because I have reviewed several of these, I will be sure to link that playlist down in the description box below, so feel free to check out some of the other boxes I have reviewed. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and dive right on in. We normally have a magazine with every box, so I'm gonna pull that out first and see what we got up in there. With every magazine and box, there's usually a monthly theme, and the theme for this month is Summertime Fly. Hello, somebody. Now, if I didn't mention before, this is the box for the month of June. I know we're in July. I apologize for the delay. I'm gonna try to do better for July, okay? So this is what the magazine for this month looks like. Very vacation-like, very summertime-like, very summertime fly. Now, inside every magazine, they normally have all of the items that may be included in the box, as well as the description and the cost of those items. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the first item and see what we got. It's usually about 5 to 7 items in every box. So let's see what the first one is. Now, in every box, they always include a t-shirt. And what I've learned lately is that that could be a t-shirt or a tank top, which excites me because I love me a good tank top, honey. Like, I need my arms free. So let's see what t-shirt or tank top we got this month. Oh, we got a tanky. We got a cute little tanky. And it's like this tie-dye color. Okay, what does it say? Peace, love, melanin. Hello, somebody. Just words that speak to me. They all speak to me. Very nice. This will get some good use for sure. Especially as hot as it is outside. Whew. All right, I'm moving on. I'll be trying not to make these videos like super duper ooper long, okay? But before I move on, let me give you the cost of this tank top. It's called It's the Melon or Peace Love Melanin Tie-Dye Tank. And it is $22. You have the option of 2 different styles. I have one of the styles and this is the other style. I think I like the other style better. That's super cute. I like the white with the bright color on it. Yeah, I like that. All right, so now let's see what we got next. The next thing I'm pulling out are some, ooh, super cute sunglasses. Let me read it before I show you. It says Eyes on the Prize sunglasses and they are $20. You have 5 different style options with these. So, ooh, let's see what I got. These are so cute. Look at these. I love them actually. Yes, honey. Can you see me chilling? Boom. Ow. I am a whole fool. These are so cute, y'all. I would definitely rock these. These are getting worn for sure. Super cute. Let me show you all of the other styles down here. These are the other options that you can choose. Very nice options. All right, let's mosey on, y'all. Leave that out. Oh, I gotta go greet my husband. He just walked in the door. Okay, so the next item looks like we got an Izzy and Liv shower cap. It literally says Izzy and Liv shower cap. It'd be useful for sure. We all need to protect our hair from the water at some point. All right, let me read you the deets. Came through dripping. That's what it's called. It's $22 and you have an option of 6 different designs. So this is my design. Ugh, it's blue, so I'm already happy. It is my favorite color, blue. I'm like, yes, yes, yes. Like, Izzy, y'all got it for me this time. So look at this. It's like a bonnet full of water. And I love that it has a bow. You can make it tighter. Now, I know I ain't the only one that had a shower cap that was just too loosey-goosey and just would not stay put. Like, it was just moving all over the place. So this is going to help prevent that. You just tie it a little tighter if necessary. You good to go, sis? Or loosen it up if necessary. It is stretchable. Has this nice elasticity. Very nice. This is so cute. These little blue hearts are giving it to me. This is getting used. So let me show you all of the different color options with this. And there you have it. All right, y'all, let's mosey on. Let's mosey on. All right. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. All right. So what we got next, it is, let me read it for you. Beach Please sun hat. It's $25 and you have 5 different designs. So let's see. This is like a nice, cute little summer straw hat. And it says Queen Things on the front of mine. Super cute. I can go in and pop this on. Because I ain't here to mess up no hair or nothing like that. Oh, Queen Things. But how do you... Maybe that needs to be in the back. That's probably how that's supposed to go. Don't judge me. But wait, see, I was going off the tag. The tag is in the front. I don't know, y'all. I don't even know. I'm just going to work this thing out, but she is cute. Hello? Oh, I can see myself wearing this. And with these braids, these locks, honey. All right, y'all. So let's get into the final item in this box, which is, let me read it to you first. Rainy Days Kaftan Dress. Now, maybe I'm behind. Could be me. I have just never heard of a kaftan dress, or I've just never seen nor read that word. And what I'm looking at looks familiar. I just don't know it as that. You know what I mean? It's just me. I'm just behind. That's all. I'm going to blame it on me. Anywho, she's $54, and there are 6 different style options. Well, let's see what she's looking like. Alright, y'all, so this is a lot of fabric. Hold on, I need room. Get rid of this stuff in front of me. Alright. So it has some faces on it. The faces are upright in the front and like upside down in the back. Of course, pattern and sewing mechanisms. So it's one of those like throw on type of gowns, but you can kind of style in different ways. Let's see. So there's like an opening here on the sides. Oh no, it's not completely open. It's completely open more towards the bottom. I hope you can really see what I'm showing you. And then it just has like an open flap towards the top. Super long. And it is long. It's going all the way to the flap. It appears really large. And I'm just like, you know, I've never worn one of these before. So maybe that's just how it's supposed to be. I have seen people in them like this. But they have some super cute style options on here that you don't have to just wear it as is. So let me show you with the different designs as well. So you have options in how you would like to wear her, which are cute. I don't know if I would wear it all big and blousy and loose like it is. I might have to get one of them little sexy chick styles and sass that thing on up. I don't like stuff looking super big and bulky on me. That's just not my thing. Like, but she's cute. She's cute. I love the pattern. I probably would choose a different pattern though. It's actually the more subtle of the rest of the pattern, so that's what I could appreciate about it. I'm not afraid of colors, honey. This is a colors chick. She loves her colors. Well, that was everything, y'all. I feel like I got through that kind of fast. Like, normally I'm like yapping too much and it like takes me forever to get through the box. But I feel like I got through it kind of fast today. I'm proud of me. Go me. Go me. Also, I forgot to mention my little goddess locks here. These are crochets. So if you're interested in this, the video should be up before this video is, and of course I will link it down in the description box below. I'll also leave all the details for this subscription box down in the description box below. It is a monthly subscription for $39.95. I do believe I have a coupon that I will include down below as well. If you've never subscribed to this box, you can benefit with that coupon code if you want to start. And it's not something you have to keep on going forever. If you need to take a break, you're like, look, all right, I'm tired of giving up $39.95. You can easily just take a pause and pick back up when you're ready. I have done that personally. So I'm actually quite pleased with this box. I feel like I liked everything in it this month. Doesn't always happen. I don't usually like everything every month. I mean, you know, it's like 5 to 7 items. It's almost impossible to like every single thing every single time. And if I don't like it, then I'll share it with my daughter or a friend of mine. But I actually like everything in this box this month. I will keep everything. So as always, let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite item was in the box down in the comments below. Let's go on and chat about this. So no emoji for this video, but if you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Miss Ebony V. I would love to communicate and chit chat with you there as well. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye y'all.